In order for this to work out, you will need three things. You will need first a mobile phone, and also you will need for the step two, you need to have a Gmail account or any email account. And step three, you need to either have an internet connection or a Wi-Fi. And boom, that's how you can make money with this website that I'm going to show you in just a second. Now, we are going to be showing you how to make money online with three basically step, which doesn't involve from you anything. All you have to do is just go to this website that I'm just going to show you in just a second, and also just review some points, and then you'll get in so many points, and then you can take those points into real money. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure if you guys are new to make subscribe, also turn the notification on so you get notified whenever I release new video, so that you get notified every single time. And also, if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, there's a link in my description. Click that link. And also there's also another link for my free training where you learn how to make $10,000 per month affiliate marketing. It's a free training. There's no string attached. All you have to do is just sign up for the training, and there you go. Now, without further ado, let's start with the video. And the website that we need to go to is called Paid Viewpoint. Now, before we even go there, you just need to have a Gmail account. If you guys don't have a Gmail account, this is very important. You need to make an account. Creating an account is very simple. All you have to do is create an account, and boom, that's all you have to do. And then you will come into this website called Paid Viewpoint. You need to sign up into this account. Also, you can watch this demo if you want to learn more about the website. And here we're just going to click register, and that's all you have to do. You have to create your email. You have to add your email, and then you need to create a password for that, where we're just going to make a password. And once you sign up, add your email, it will say thanks for signing up. You can either click here to resend an activation code, or you can just go to your email and paste that activation code in this box. And once you have your activation code, you will just paste it in here, and that's all you have to do. You're just gonna click verify email, and then you have verified your email. You can get up to $1 for just signing up, this is so crazy and so interesting, because while signing up, you are going to be getting paid. And all you have to do is, you see these 0.05, you are gonna be clicking either gender, male or female, and then you'll see you earn 0.05. You will add your username. You're gonna earn for user, you don't earn. For first name you're gonna earn, for last name you're gonna earn, and for birthday you're gonna earn. So let me just fill this up, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. And there you go. You see we have made 0.2 cents for just registration, and we are good to go. We're just gonna click on this button which says next. And after that, this where we're gonna be also adding our country, and also we're gonna be adding our street address and everything. I'm just gonna add a random address in here, and also we're gonna be adding our PayPal account so that everything is completed. And there you go. We have completed our sign up process, and as you can see, it says new. Now we have a friendly browser notification. If you want to get that, you can accept that. So if you want, we can accept that. And also you can see here, you can earn more money by inviting friends, which is also a referral bonus. And you can also see that now we already have a survey to complete, where we're gonna click here, and this is gonna be very easy ways to complete surveys, because all they're gonna ask you is a couple of questions, and you are just gonna be completing these surveys, and you are gonna be earning money. So it is pretty simple. Now I'm just doing this just so you guys know I'm not even reading anything. I'm just completing these surveys. But for you, if you want to make really money from this, you don't have to. Basically all you have to do is complete it, like really. So that's all about it. They will give you as many surveys as possible, and you can see that it keeps on the money you earn, it keeps on increasing. And basically you are going to be earning more and more as long as you can. So they can also send you through email. And no, you don't get me wrong, because we are not here to do survey, because surveys, as you guys know, it doesn't make you a lot of money. You can make a couple of cents or a couple of dollars a day with surveys, but don't get me wrong, we are not going to be doing any surveys, because I'm gonna show you an easier way that you can make $25, which is, it says in here, you can refer friends, and you don't even have to refer your friends, because I have a really nice way, an easy way to make money by referring friends. People who are looking to make money like you are, they are going to be interested into this website, and you are going to be telling them about this website, and they are going to sign up, and you're going to earn $25. And more about that, whenever they also earn money, you're going to earn money as well. Now it says every time they cash out, you will get 20% every for every biz survey rewarded. So for example, if they earn $100, you're gonna get $20 for that. That's how easy it is. So now there's a couple of ways that you can invite friends, which is, it says invite friend by email. Now you can see it's pre-populated ways. Like for example, it says I would like to invite you, so you can add your friends in here, and you can literally send emails from here as well, or you can use the other ways like through social media network, and you can share it like that. Now but there's another way that I use, which is called work from home world. I'm gonna also link this website in the description so you can see it, or also I might also link it in the screen. You can see, so the website called workfromhomeworld.birds.net. Now this is the website that I'm going to talk to you about. So it's basically a work from home website forum that you can literally create an account for, where if you just have to click register, and once you register, basically all you have to do is you are going to be able to post stuff in here, and then whenever people like they see your forum, or they see your post, like you're promoting another service or another website that makes money, because the website is all about work from home, right? So they are going to be interested, and they're going to sign up through your link, and you're going to make money, they're also going to make money. So it's a win-win on both sides. Now that's all about this video that I wanted to talk to you guys about. If you guys like this video, make sure to turn that like button, and also smash the like button like I said, and also subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. And without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, but make sure to check the link in my description if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, and you think all the things that I'm talking about in this video it's not helpful for you guys. There's a link in my description for that, and also there's my free training where you can get it right now if you're looking to make a $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. I hope you guys see you so soon. So peace.